I came here because I thought it was gonna make me feel better. It didn't. You guys know how much I love my Canes, and I've been having a rough morning, so I drove out and I got some Canes. This meal truly does not need an introduction, so let's dig in. Oh, she's a little soggy today. Listen, Canes, if you put me in a bad mood, I'll be so mad at you. Let's hope at least the fries are crispy. No, but the cane sauce is still delicious. Still delicious taste, just a little soggy. Also, these tenders are literally minuscule. Canes, what is going on with this location? You usually never do me wrong. Let's make a little cane sandwich. Maybe that will make me feel better. You guys know the drill. Slaw. I don't know what they put in this, but so good. Tender and sauce. I guess you can't win them all. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little disappointed right now. I came here because I thought it was gonna make me feel better. It didn't. Last bite. Cheers. At least the Coke was really good.